Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Chameleon mode, one of the most talked about anti-detect browsers in 2025. We're going to dive deep into what Chameleon mode is, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally I'll share my honest conclusion on why I think it's one of the best anti-detect browsers this year. Let's start with what Chameleon mode actually is and why it exists. In today's digital world, almost every online platform, from e-commerce to social media and ad networks, tracks users using something called browser fingerprinting. This includes your system information, your screen resolution, time zone, plugins, fonts, and even the way your browser renders graphics. Now, if you manage multiple accounts, maybe for affiliate marketing, dropshipping, social media management, or crypto trading, these platforms can easily detect when all your accounts are being accessed from the same browser or device. That's where Chameleon mode comes in. It's an anti-detect browser that helps you stay anonymous and avoid getting your accounts flagged or banned. It lets you create completely isolated browser profiles, each with its own unique digital fingerprint. That means each one looks like a completely different user, even if you're all running from the same computer. Now let us talk about the main features of the Chameleon mode browser. First is the advanced fingerprint masking. Chameleon mode gives you the power to customize or randomize almost every part of your browser's fingerprints, from user agents and screen resolution to WebGL and canvas data. This ensures every browser profile you create looks like a unique, real human user instead of a copy-paste setup. Multiple browser profiles. You can create multiple independent browser profiles, each with its own cookie, cache, extensions, and proxy. This is extremely helpful for marketers or business owners managing several client accounts, and each profile is completely isolated, so one ban or a flag doesn't affect the others. Proxy integration and geosyncing. Chameleon mode supports various types of proxies such as HTTP and SOCKS. You can also automatically sync your browser's time zone and geolocation with the proxy's IP location. Team collaboration and session sharing. For agencies or teams, Chameleon mode allows you to share specific browser sessions securely. That means your team members or virtual assistants can continue working on a specific profile without needing your main login or risking a connection between accounts. Automation capability. One of the biggest advantages of Chameleon mode is the support for automation tools like Selenium, Puppeteer, or Playwright. This makes it possible to automate repetitive browser tasks while still remaining undetectable, something many marketers and many developers find extremely useful. Custom browser environments. You can emulate different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge and customize them to match the setup of real users. This helps blend in naturally with whatever platform or region you're targeting. Mobile support. In addition to desktop environments, Chameleon mode supports mobile fingerprints too, which is perfect for managing apps or mobile-based platforms like TikTok or Instagram without needing an actual phone. Now, what is the pricing like? There is the basic plan, there is the plus plan, and the pro plan. All plans have different pricing when you decide to pay annually. But basically, the basic plan costs $19 per month, the plus plan costs $69 per month, and the pro plan $199 per month. For the basic plan, you get a 7-day free trial to test it out. What are the pros and cons of using the Chameleon mode browser? First, the pros. They have excellent fingerprint masking that mimics real user environments. It supports multiple profiles, each completely isolated from one another. It integrates easily with proxies and syncs geolocation automatically. It is compatible with automation frameworks for scaling tasks. How about the cons? The pricing can be on the higher side compared to budget tools, and some features may require a bit of technical setup. And overall, you still need high quality proxies and good operational habits to stay fully undetected. So, is Chameleon mode browser really worth it in 2025? Yes, it stands out because it combines advanced stealth technology, automation support, and a smooth user experience all in one place. Now, of course, no anti-detect browser is perfect. Success still depends on your proxies, setup, and behavior. But as an all-round package, with its blend of usability, performance, and automation, Chameleon mode is easily one of the best anti-detect browsers in 2025. If you're someone who values privacy, efficiency, and control, I'd say it's absolutely worth checking out because of its canvas fingerprint, the proxy support, the auto time zone, and AI Reddit automation. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Go Login, Ads Power, and Multi-Login. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.